Hello everyone, just a quick episode of Mark II Golf Stories today. I'm going to try and get rid of this sticky stuff off the back of the boot. Okay. So when I removed the vinyl, it left a lot of residue and I've been struggling to get it off. But armed with a scraper and a heat gun, I'm going to see if we can get it off at all. Don't want to leave it in one place too long, it could damage the paint, so just slowly backwards and forwards. Left and right. Let it try and melt the glue. Giving it a scrape. That doesn't seem to really be doing lots, so we'll try something else. We're going to try some, what's this stuff?
WD.
It's not WD, it's green one, almost WD-40. Let that soak in for a minute. We're doing quite a good job at WD.
No, and elbow grease. We'll
now try some white spirit, some terps. Put a bit of solvent, see if that breaks down the glue. Seems to be working a little bit. I think WD-40 is a winner there. For the bits of the plastic trim which are stuck under the rubber, we're just lifting it forward, and you can see it there. What we'll try and do then, give it a spray, soak in for a minute. Use the scraper, try and knock it forward. Well, we managed to get most of the glue off. We're still struggling in this corner and over here, and a little bit of the side. But we'll keep working on it, and over the next few days, hopefully get it all off. But that's looking a lot better already, I think. Yeah. So there we go. That's all the sticky stuff, all the glue residue from the vinyl removed. It looks a lot better.
What?
It's a combination of WD-40 and white spirit. If you found it interesting and helpful, please drop a like and click on subscribe. Thanks a lot, see you in the next one.